How to upgrade to a premium plan in Kling AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to upgrade to a premium plan in Kling AI, first of all, launch open the Kling AI app or visit the Kling AI website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on My Space at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside this tab, go to the upper left and tap on the menu button. You'll be able to see Upgrade Your Plan option, just click on it. And there, browse the available plans and compare the features, credits, and pricing. Scroll through the plans, select if you want monthly or yearly plan, choose the plan that fits your budget and your preference, and click on the Purchase Now button from the bottom. Now, after you do that, follow through the on-screen instructions, enter your payment details, and complete the purchase by following the instructions. Once you receive a confirmation message, your premium benefits should be activated immediately or shortly after your payment is processed. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.